Find the sum of first 24 terms of an AP if it is known that A1 plus A5 plus A10 plus A15 plus A20 plus A24 is equal to 225, where A1, A2, A3, and so on, these are the terms of this AP. So we are known with one fact that in any AP, the sum of first term and the last term, the sum of second term and the second last term, sum of third term and the third last term, and so on, they are equal. Similarly, in this case, as we want to find the sum of 24 terms, that means the first term and the 24th term, their sum will be same as the fifth term and the 20th term, which will be same as the 10th term and the 15th term, right? So using this fact in the given equation, which is A1 plus A5 plus A10, if we regroup that, we get A1 plus A24, A5 plus A20, plus A10 plus A15. And this is given equals to 225. All of them are equal, so we can consider any one of them. So we have three groups of A1 plus A24. And that is equal to 225. So from here, we can find the value of A1 plus A24, which will be 225 over 3. And how do you find the sum of 24 terms? That is 24 over 2, first term plus the last term. So that's 24 over 2 times 225 over 3. Simplifying this, we get 75 times 12, which is 900. So sum of 24 terms of this AP is 900.